Can EAs do financial planning? No. If you have any license, yeah, Series 65, Series 66 license or a CFP qualification, then you can go for financial planning. But yeah, but people, they combine, tax and financial planning and they try to give the advice. But I would say, financial planning is a different course, and it's been my long desire to, have EA and CFP as a very good combination. Because when I see in my LLC, I feel that, clients need, tax planning and financial planning. They don't know where the money is going. So that is something, I want to start.